this video, we'll be looking at the CI200TS main unit. We will take a look at the key elements of the end user interface. The CI200TS is manufactured using high-quality components and will provide many years of reliable service. It is a complex instrument, and to protect it, it is housed in a durable IP65 rated case, primarily to prevent the ingress of dust and moisture. Care must be taken not to allow the instrument to become wet. Located within the case lid, you'll find the INS antenna, which is a highly sensitive, inertial measurement component and the primary data sensor. The antenna cable is also a critical component, as this transmits all the inertial data to the main unit for processing. The antenna assembly is a precision instrument in its own right and must be treated with care. A guaranteed void if removed seal is fitted to prevent unauthorized access to component and firmware calibrations. This measure ensures the forensic integrity of the system, and if the seal is broken, it must not be used. The system is powered up and shut down using the power on, power off button. The printer is a maintenance-free thermal unit. Our customers normally use our standard thermal printer rolls. However, a self-adhesive option is available that enables users to directly attach evidential printouts to legal documents. When new, the CI200TS is supplied with a 32GB SD card. The card contains a licensed copy of our standard data analysis software. The use of this software version is unrestricted, and it can be installed on multiple computers, provided the instrument is calibrated on an annual basis. On top of the control panel, there is a service use only port. This port is access controlled, and your system will cease to operate if unauthorized connection protocols are detected. This measure ensures the forensic integrity of the system is maintained. On the side of the main unit, you will find a number of connection ports used to connect peripheral devices. The antenna is permanently connected to two of these ports. One is labelled INS, and the other is labelled GPS. These connections should normally remain untouched unless it is necessary to replace the antenna cable. On the top row, there is a 12-volt power input, labelled charger on earlier models, and separate pedal force and a trigger input. The 12-volt input is used for powering the CI200TS from an external power source. The pedal force input is used for connecting a ScenePro brake pedal force sensor, and the trigger input provides the ability to connect our laser barrier triggering system, used when conducting ISO condition monitoring checks, and to enable the activation of brake pedal actuators. On the bottom row, you will find an input labelled load cell. This is used to connect our optional 2,000 kg tension load cell. You will also note an auxiliary input port. This is used by ScenePro engineers and is for service use only. Finally, there is a 3-amp screw-in fuse unit that provides current overload protection to the instrument. On the control panel, we have our dash display. This display is a relocatable OLED unit which displays a wide range of system and test data outputs, as well as providing the means of changing test triggering parameters. When the CI200TS is used for brake testing, the display is normally left in situ within the main case. However, when used for vehicle testing, the display can be relocated to a more convenient location using the suction mount provided. This feature makes the display more visible to vehicle test drivers and facilitates a better interaction with the system's controls. The next video in the series takes a look at the safe installation of the CI200TS in test vehicles.